it literally is involved in virtually every aspect of your health on a day-to-day basis, on a moment-to-moment basis. Everything from neurotransmitter function and how you're feeling. So through the gut brain connection, through the enteric nervous system, to the processing of hormones, to how we absorb our nutrients, to how our immune system is being regulated. Meaning, am I in a pro-inflammatory stance? Am I in a neutral stance with my immune system? All of these things play a role within the function and structure of the microbiome and how diverse it is. Obviously, gut integrity is incredibly important because the gut bacteria or the microbiome is helping to make short chain fatty acids, butyrate to help the integrity of the epithelial cells so that we're not getting any types of bacterial translocation or any type of heightened antigen presenting cell activity. So, in the end, I think it's one of the core things that people need to pay attention to and take care of is their microbiome.